Hello, hello, hello. This is Els. How you doing, guys? Listen, just a quick pop-in. Recently I was over at Michael's, and I was looking for these pads, the Mystic Moon and the Pinkaboo. And I used the Pinkaboo to actually make a, a journal. Well, not a journal, but I did make a small pocket card journal the other day using the Pinkaboo. You guys may have seen that one. Looks like this. And I did this one out of the Pinkaboo pad, which I really like. And I know, pink, right? But it was something a little different, and I'm going to give it to my granddaughter anyway, and she's kind of a pinky kind of girl. So, it works. So I went over to Michael's today because I needed to get some light pink ink to do a project that I'm working on for y'all. Well, while I was there, I found something, and they have gotten like all of their holiday stuff in for Halloween now. So they had the little 6x6 pads of this and of this. They also had the 6x6 of the other one, which is kind of cartoony and not really to my taste. But they also had like all of the ephemera stuff finally came in. So I grabbed some. I did film some in the store, so I do have that, and I'm going to edit it and see if it works. And if it does, I'll put it at the end of the video. So they did have these. These are stickers, and they're label stickers. And there's 27 pieces in here for $3. The other one that they had is this one here. And these are also stickers. And they have all of these different designs in here, which match the pad. So that was really cool. And then they had these stamp sets, which were $10. But Joann's has a 50% coupon. So if you use the 50% coupon from Joann's, this brings it down to $5. But Michael's is doing a 20% off your whole purchase. So then you get another 20% off of this. So you get $2 more. So when it comes down to your $5 and then you get 20% off of that $5, this is dirt cheap. And it's a really great sticker set. There's a test tube and then like a periodic table of elements here and a poison label and some vampire teeth and this rat skull with a top hat and 31 with wings. It's very, 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 very kind of Tim Holtzy kind of look. And I noticed that when I got this, that this stuff also goes with the spellcast from the Pink Paisley that you can pick up over at Tuesday morning. So if you lucked out and you got one of these, then it's all going to kind of play in together. So this is the pad for this one. And I'm pretty sure I showed this to you guys a couple weeks ago. But if you've also purchased One-Legged Witchy Woman's Halloween pack, all of this stuff goes with that as well. And then, of course, there's the Spellcast sticker set, 36 pieces, and the Spellcast ephemera piece that also works quite well with all of the stuff from Michael's. So we could have a really good Halloween season this year. And I just wanted to share this with you guys. So check it out. Go over there to Michael's. I don't know that this stuff is available online, but I do know it is available in the stores. And as I've said before, I've spoken with the district manager here, and he assures me that this is, this set right here is their set for the season, and it will be available at all the stores. So if it's not in your store yet, it will be, they said, by the end of the week. So by the end of the weekend, you should see it up. So the end of the holiday weekend, you should see this set up, okay? So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the video that I shot in the store. Hopefully we can see that. But they had some really interesting papers there that were actually on acetate, and they were like x-ray film. So I want you guys to check that out. So hold on, here it comes.